Hi guys, Pat Dannenberg here with the Boy Scouts of America for Nevada Area Council. Just wanted to go through and give you a quick video on how to do a few orders and how to take care of a few things for cleaning up your popcorn sale. Talk about the prizes, talk about doing the nut orders. So let me switch over to another screen for you and let's get started so I can show you what's really going on. So, all right. Okay, on this screen here, this is when you first log in. So you got to make sure you go to scouting.trails-in.com. Make sure you visit that web page, log in, and get into your account. I'm logging into the PAC-15 account. That's the account that I use with my own kids and their own pack. So just want to go through a few things. You'll notice right on the very first page when you log in, now it shows the order prizes. You click through that, it'll take you over to the Keller website for ordering popcorn prizes. So make sure you notice that. You'll also notice if you sat down at the beginning of your sale, you invited all the kids to go create an account at trails-in.com, not the scouting.trails-in.com, but just regular plain Jane www.trails-in.com. If you told them to go create an account there, log in, make sure that they put down that they were with your Cub Scout pack or troop, then they would show up when I click on this list right here where it says Scouts. They should show up in this list right here, okay? Now, in doing that, that means you'll be able to find out, all right, well, do they have an online profile and so forth. But one of the things that you can see is that if I click on Scout Track, this is where you start to see orders, all right? You got to figure out how much did all my kids earn. You got to figure out how to do your popcorn prizes. You don't want to calculate all the math for you by yourself. Well, in order doing the popcorn prizes, what you do is you take every kid and you put in their show and sell amount. So right here, you go in and you put in how many dollars they sold for show and sell. Then you turn around and notice that the final order on paper, that's why it says paper right here, you enter the order. So you take all the paper sheets that you got in front of you, you take the total count of what each kid may have done on the number of containers and product, and you go down and you put it in this sheet right here for that scout, all right? Now I'm not going to put anything in for this scout. And when you hit save on that other page, it would show up actually, instead of saying enter order, it would actually show up with a dollar amount there. Now, you'll see also you have this column that says APP, that's for your app. So if you went onto your phone or tablet and downloaded the Trails In app, and then you turned around and linked it up with the account for your bank account, or even didn't, you would still be able to place orders through there. And through that app, you'll see that if there's total dollar amounts for any kid, it shows up in this column for what they ordered. And you can see there are a few kids that we have entered on here. They did sell a few dollars through the app. We didn't make a huge push for it because we wanted to try it with a few kids, and we did. Really liked the program by using the online app. We had some doing cash payments and some doing credit card payments. So, but you can see Jeremiah did $90 on it. So really worked out well. So enjoyed it. I'll make a bigger push for doing that next year. So you'll also see online total. And if you scroll down through that column, anything that a kid has sold online is going to total up into that column right there. So, and then of course, for any scout, what's going to happen is it's going to take your show and sell first order total amount there that you type in. It's going to add your final order paper amount. Then it's going to add the app amount and also the online total. And all four of those columns add together and come into this total column right here. And scrolling all the way down at the bottom of the page, it will tell you how much you total sold, okay? So now what happens is once you've done that and you get everything put in on this page that you want and you're happy with it, then you come over and you click on popcorn orders. You'll see, all right, here's this right here. Now you can either click order popcorn or you can click new unit order, okay? I'll go ahead and click on it. I don't have one created yet, but you'll notice right here it says fall 2017 and then choose delivery. And I'm going to do my final order, okay? And putting in my final order, it's going to show up with this page right here. And from all the kids, when it adds them together, it's going to say, all right, on this product, how much product does this individual scout need? And it's going to take all the different items for that scout, and it's going to take all the other scouts and add all those items together, and it's going to give a calculated number. And so for all the kids in my pack, I only right now see that I need to place an order for 1 military donation. Okay. Now, I have the ability to accept that 1 military donation. I can make an adjustment. If I put in a -1 right here, you'll see it actually zeroed out the order for the final unit order right here. What matters to you the most on how much popcorn and military and hometown hero that you're about to order is this very last column right here to the far right. Everything that you're going to get in from the scout office to pick up in the final take order is going to be in this right here. So no matter what spreadsheet you may be using, no matter whatever you're trying to do to put in numbers, this final right-hand column here is what you need to have accurate for what you need to order. So if you're using a spreadsheet, not taking every scout and dumping everything in for every scout, then you need to pay attention to this final unit order column right here per item and figure it out that way, okay? Because that's critical in how you order that, all right? I'm going to change this back, of course, so that my 1 shows back up here again, all right? Now, if you over order, you order more than what you have in the total need column, it'll tell you that you have a surplus or shortage right here in this column, okay? So that's helping you understand where you're going to be in your final order, but at the same time frame, don't forget this column may not apply to what you're doing, depending on whether or not you put in every exact amount for every scout. If you don't put it in for every scout and you just run off your own spreadsheet, this final unit order column right here is what you need to pay attention to, okay? And please know that the military donations are going to be populating along with the hometown hero populating as a case, and it won't show up as a container, okay? At the end, when I'm done with everything on this page, I would come in and I just hit submit, all right? And then it'll post over to the Boy Scouts. The Boy Scouts then get to approve it, and they click a button in there and you're all done, all right? But once you hit submit on your end, you're all done, all right? I'm going to head back over to this home page real quick. So make sure that you take the time to deal with everything on this, and make sure that you pay attention to your online orders also. You'll have a lot of information available for you. So make it a great day. Enjoy scouting. Thanks for selling popcorn. Thank you for all you do. And feel free to reach out to the Scout office with any questions at popcorn@nevadabsa.org, and hope you have a great time.